Xero Me allows you to view and manage your pay, submit timesheets, and request leave all from your desktop. Once signed in, Xero Me opens on the Overview tab. This is your personal dashboard where you can quickly see a snapshot of your latest payslip, check upcoming leave, and review your timesheets. Your latest pay information is at the top. Click View to jump into more detail. Use the tabs along the top to move between different parts of Xero Me. If you work for more than one employer who uses Xero for payroll, click the Organisation Name drop-down to move between different employers. Let's start with the Payslips tab. The Payslips tab lists your previous and upcoming pay periods for a quick overview of each payslip, including the pay period, date, and amount paid. Use the start date and end date to view different time periods for your payslip history, or click the drop-down to select a suggested date. Click the download icon to view and download a copy of your payslip. Here you'll find the dates this pay covers, what you earned before tax and deductions, how much lands in your bank account, a breakdown of your taxes and deductions, and your leave balance. To download multiple payslips in bulk, tick the relevant checkboxes and click Download Selected Payslips. Saving payslips can come in handy at a later date for things like loans, proof of income, or tax obligations. Next, click the Leave tab. From here, view your available leave balances, including annual leave, sick leave, or other leave types, and the status of your existing leave requests. To request leave, click New Leave Request. Click the drop-down and choose the appropriate leave type you're applying for, like annual leave or sick leave. Add a description, and if your region or organisation uses them, add any notes or attachments, like a medical certificate. If you see a manager drop-down, select it to choose the appropriate manager or payroll admin who will review the request. Select the start and end dates for days off you're applying for and confirm the hours of leave requested. Click Request to submit it. The request appears in the Leave Request section with a status of requested. Once your employer or manager reviews it, they'll update the status to approved or declined. If you need to make changes while your request is still pending, click the Leave Request, update the details, and click Save to confirm the changes, or click Delete to remove the leave request entirely. Next, click the Timesheets tab. Not every employee uses timesheets. If you're an hourly employee, or your organisation tracks time for projects or jobs, you may need to complete timesheets in Xero Me. The Timesheets tab lists all timesheets sent to your employer or payroll admin. Each timesheet shows the pay period and status for quick reference. Click the Status drop-down to view timesheets with specific statuses. To add a new timesheet, click Create next to the appropriate pay period. Select the day this timesheet applies to, then use the drop-down to select the earnings rate. For example, ordinary time or overtime, depending on your employment agreement. Then, enter the hours and minutes you're recording. If your organisation uses tracking categories, click the Tracking Category drop-down to select the relevant option. Repeat these steps for the remaining days in the pay period. Use the summary on the right-hand side to confirm your timesheet hours. And finally, click Submit to send your timesheet to your employer or payroll admin. If you spot a mistake before your timesheet is approved, you may be able to edit and resubmit it depending on how your employer has set up timesheets. To edit a timesheet, click anywhere along the row to edit it. Make the updates you need to, and click Submit. Or to delete the timesheet, click the drop-down and click Delete to confirm. If you're not sure about cut-off times for submitting hours or whether you can change your timesheets, be sure to contact your payroll admin. Submitting accurate timesheets ensures your pay is correct, so double-check all the details before submitting. Finally, let's take a look at how to update your personal details. Click the My Details tab. Some fields are view-only depending on your region and how your employer has set up Xero Payroll. If you need to update any view-only details, contact your employer or payroll admin. To add an image to your Xero Me profile, click Upload Photo. This will be visible to others in your organisation, including your employer or payroll admin. Confirm your address, email, and phone number are correct, and if you need to make any changes, click Edit to update them. And finally, click Save to confirm your changes. The employment section is set by your employer. If you need to make any changes, contact your employer or payroll admin directly. To add or update your emergency contact, click Edit. Enter their details, then click Save to confirm. You're now ready to use Xero Me to review your pay, submit timesheets, and request leave all from your desktop.